Welcome to EDAC Connectors, where we introduce you to our spring-loaded pogo-pin connectors. Our connectors are designed to fit into everyday consumer products, offering a high level of convenience and versatility. This simplifies your choices when connecting your devices. Our spring-loaded connectors are designed to be durable and versatile, with high mating life cycles, saving you costs on repairs and increasing the reliability of your end product. Spring-loaded pogo connectors are designed with insulation to withstand everyday wear and tear. Each piece is precision machined to ensure that all pin qualities are maintained, including low resistance of 30 milliohms and high current capacity of 5 amps. Thanks to their pin design, these connectors are self-cleaning. Simply using the connector will cause the plunger to scrape away any oxides that may have accumulated while the connector was not in use. These connectors are assembled using high-temperature thermoplastic nylon, allowing them to operate in temperatures ranging from -30 degrees Celsius to +85 degrees Celsius. This makes them a viable option for a variety of different applications. Spring-loaded pogo connectors are ideal for frequent connections and disconnections, with high mating cycles that ensure durability without wear and tear. Their self-cleaning pin design also guarantees quality over time, increasing reliability in many modern-day applications. Spring-loaded pogo connectors provide a solid connection between two devices, thanks to the polarizing magnets with a force up to 3.5 N. This supplies enough force and ensures that the connection will not accidentally disconnect or misalign during natural use, providing natural polarization for any use case. Spring-loaded pogo magnetic connectors provide easy mating cycles. The magnets automatically align and secure the connection with minimal user engagement, increasing convenience for quick unmating. Spring-loaded pogo connectors have highly versatile plugs and sockets that offer numerous options, making them useful in a variety of industries. These connectors are ideal for situations subjected to mechanical and environmental stress, such as cable pulling when charging laptops. With the option to extend the cable to a length of 1,000 millimeters, no connection is too far to reach. Circular connectors are generally more durable and reliable, offering better environmental protection than their counterparts, with resistance to dust, moisture, and mechanical stress. They are ideally used in a variety of environments, such as medical applications. To reiterate, EDAC's connectors offer spring-loaded pogo pin connectors. These connectors are designed to be durable, versatile, and self-cleaning, with low resistance and high current capacity. If you would like to learn more, please visit our brochure and drawings with the link provided in the description. EDAC, connect with us. Experience makes the difference.